Broilers are chickens that were genetically improved and bred specifically for meat production. They grow fast and convert food well and quickly into flesh. Broilers raised well or optimally are expected to be ready or reach maturity within 5 to 6 weeks of age, having an average weight of around 2.3 to 2.5 kgs. The major challenge most broiler farmers face is getting their birds to reach to the impressive weight and size for the market in a timely and efficient manner, while also maintaining the health and well-being of the birds. Therefore, in this video, we shall be discussing the tips for increasing the weight of your broiler birds. Tip number 1, you procure highly performing broiler chicks. The quality of chicks you buy has a big impact on their growth rate. This means that if you want your broiler chickens to grow fast and reach market weight area, then avoid poor quality chicks from less reputable breeders or hatcheries. There is nothing more disappointing than buying poor performing chicks from hatcheries that claim to sell high quality stock. A good hatchery should guarantee at least a 90% survival rate and have a policy of replacing dead chicks. Tip number 2, give them the best start in life. Ensuring that your broiler chickens have the right conditions in order to perform well is crucial. This starts from the very beginning of their lives when they are just chicks. Good housing, brooding and sanitation practices are essential for providing the best start in life for your chickens. Keeping your chicks warm and dry and providing good housing for them not only make them comfortable, but it also keeps them safe and secure and allows them to convert their foods well. Additionally, maintaining proper sanitation practices in the housing area helps to prevent the spread of diseases and ensures the birds are kept in a clean and a healthy environment. Tip number 3, provide them with the right quality feeds and clean water. Providing high quality feeds is essential for promoting the healthy growth and development in broiler chickens. Broilers need well formulated, high quality broiler starter, grower and finisher diets to grow fast. You should not expect a good growth performance if you give your broiler birds junk feeds or diets meant for other types of chickens, maybe for layers or for local birds. Likewise, maintaining the freshness and the quality of the feed and providing it in appropriate quantities will also help to optimize growth. Unrestricted access to clean water is also very important for proper digestion and absorption of the feeds. Investing in the right quality feeds and implementing a proper feeding practices such as ad libitum feeding would go a long way in accelerating the growth of broiler chickens and ensuring their overall health and productivity. Tip number 4, keep them free from parasites. Parasites can cause serious problems for broiler chickens, leading to reduced growth and productivity, as well as poor health and even death. There are several types of parasites that can affect broiler chickens, including 1, we have the internal parasites such as the worms, which can reside in the chicken's gut, lungs or other organs and can damage the gut lining and lead to weight loss and nutrient malabsorption. 2, external parasites such as the fleas, lice and mites can cause itching and skin irritation, anemia and affect the feather quality. Also, we have the protozoan parasites such as coccidia, which can cause diarrhea, weight loss, and even death in severe cases. It is important to implement measures to prevent and control parasites in order to keep your birds free from these harmful pests. Regular monitoring, deworming, and keeping the house and its environment clean and well ventilated will help to minimize the risk of parasite infestation. Tip number 5, provide them with adequate housing and space. Broiler chickens need a safe, secure, and comfortable environment in which to live and grow, and this is provided primarily by the housing they are kept in. Providing broiler chickens with adequate floor space also help to prevent overcrowding, which can lead to increased stress, reduced growth, or increased risk of disease. The spacing of 1 to 2 square feet is ideal for floor spacing per chicken under the deep litter system. Additionally, it is important that the chicken house is designed to provide proper ventilation and insulation to maintain appropriate temperature and humidity. Tip number 6, use safe organic broiler growth boosters. Using safe and organic growth boosters can be effective way to promote growth and development of broiler chickens. Organic growth boosters are those that are made from natural, non-toxic ingredients and are considered safe for chickens, humans, and the environment. It is important to note that not all organic growth boosters are the same, and it is crucial to source your products from reputable suppliers and follow the recommended dosage. Also, it is important to consult a vet for guidance on which organic growth boosters are best for your chickens, as well as the appropriate dosage to give. Thanks for watching my video. Consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bell, that way you'll never miss out on any upload,